Hi guys, my name is Chacha, and in this video I will be sharing with you how to make a booster. The best time to take a booster is 30 minutes before your meal, and the recommended daily allowance is 3 times a day. When you receive your booster, it comes in a pack like this, and once you open the pack, it is in sachets. So I'm now going to show you how I make this booster. So all I need is a glass of water, a spoon, and some water. So I am going to fill this glass, with water. And I'm just opening the booster. And I will put that in there, pour my booster in there, and then stir that till all the content has mixed. You can leave that for a few seconds just to settle, or you can just drink right away. Now taking my booster, I'm just gonna drink that. And because it's got something left in there, I'm just gonna fill that again and just drink that. So now, what are the benefits of this booster? The benefits are: it suppresses your appetite, increases your energy, boosts your metabolism, aids in weight loss, it makes you fuller for longer, and it's gluten free and preservative free. Guys, you need to get this, and bye.